Hey my friends, how are you? This is a Panther A by Meng. It's one of their new releases. And I've got the, of course, the Zimmer decal sheets on there. So I'm just having a bit of fun with this one and really making it really weathered and damaged and horrible and stuff. So you can see from this point on the top plate, I've started my next step, and I've started the next step on the turret here, but you can see where I've only done it in sections. And that's what I do. I tend to do the effects in sections and let them, dry up, and because it's hard to maintain that amount of concentration for the whole thing. You start to make mistakes and rush and all that kind of stuff. So it's best to choose a section to do, stick to that section, get it done. Then you can rest your brain and maybe do something else and let the stuff dry. But she's looking pretty good, isn't she? She's really damaged. So it'll be like a tank in 1943, 44 winter kind of thing. Would have been out in the field for a couple of months, so it's been in shell fire and machine gun fire and all that kind of stuff, so she's well and truly damaged. But my god, it is a good looking exterior tank. There's no interior at all to this. But even with that Zimmer decal sheet, it doesn't look too bad. I just reckon the decal sheets don't give enough depth to the Zimmer. That's my only issue there. Sounds like someone needs a kick in the bum. Hold on. Could you shut up? So, yeah, that's, I haven't done the back part of the turret yet. Adding that sort of rust wash. But it does look good, doesn't it? It's starting to come together really well. So I'll keep going on this one. This is just slowly get there. And I'd like to start weathering up this one next. And this one. And also this one's on the block as well. So we'll get all these ones done. Got to finish the Hummel. Lots of work to go. Just starting the details and doing the washes and all that. I even started construction on the Dragon Tiger. See, putting in the torsion bars. Already looks really good. And those torsion bars work, so it's really cool. Alright my friends, I hope you like the Panther by Meng. You can do some great stuff with that kit. You see, look at the machine gun and everything. It's a really good kit. They do really well, Meng. If you're into exterior kits, you just like those kind of things, they do really well. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.